So this is a simple game. You have two shapes at the bottom and a grid, and these are your points, and this is the close button if you want to end the game early. You have to drag them inside the grid and place them so that you create a full either line or column. So we're about to do that right now. Okay, if we're gonna drop that here, we're gonna have a full column, and that's gonna give us 2 points. If you want to earn even more points, try to get get multiple lines and columns removed at the same time, so you can get bonuses and more points. We're gonna clear another column, and yeah, that's the point of the game, and the game ends when you run out of space to place your shapes into. So yeah, that's it.